For this dessert we need 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter, some coconut powder for garnishing, 3/4 tablespoon of milk, some saffron strands, a pinch of baking soda and cardamom powder. In order to make a dough for it, firstly take milk powder in a bowl, add wheat flour to it and ghee. Now mix it well. This much quantity will make 5 to 6 pieces. If you want to make more, you can increase the quantity in proportion. Now we need to add milk. Add milk little by little so that the dough doesn't get too wet. But make sure it is soft. It shouldn't be too hard. I think this much quantity of milk is sufficient. Now let this mixture rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start preparing the syrup. For this, take 2 to 3 glasses of water, add jaggery powder to it, saffron and cardamom powder. Now let it boil for at least 10-15 minutes and let the jaggery powder get dissolved well. The aroma of saffron and cardamom is really very good. As you can see, the jaggery powder is getting dissolved well. Now let it thicken a bit. Meanwhile, we can start preparing our balls out of the dough that we had prepared. Now add baking soda to it. Now we'll start making balls from this mixture. In order to make balls, take some ghee in your fingers or palm. Don't make too bigger balls because it will double its size. Now we will air fry these balls. Alternatively, you can bake them also. Now add these baked balls to the syrup and let them sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take them out, refrigerate and garnish it with coconut powder. Now enjoy this yummy dessert.